Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making a whipped body butter, and this body butter you can actually use in your hair as well. It's very moisturizing, it has anti-aging properties, and it can be used as a skin protectant as well. So the first ingredient I'm using is 4 ounces of mango butter. So this is 100% pure mango butter, and mango butter is very good for your skin. It easily absorbs into your skin, and it's high in oleic acid and omega-3 and 6 fatty acids. So it helps your skin to look tighter, younger, and just more refreshed, and youthful. So I really love mango butter. I actually use this on my face as well because this doesn't make you break out as much as like the other butters like cocoa butter. So this is really good also to use on your face. And I have a few face cream recipes that I have up on my channel. I'm going to be using 6 ounces of unrefined shea butter. So this is 100% pure ivory shea butter, and I love shea butter. It's very moisturizing. It's filled with vitamins and nutrients for your skin and for your hair as well. So it's always good to use shea butter. I'm going to be using Shea Nut Oil. So this is shea nuts, and instead of in butter form, it's an oil. And I got this on Amazon. I really like this. I will be using, I'll be using about a 1/4 cup of the Shea Nut Oil, a 1/4 cup of Sweet Almond Oil, which is very good for your skin, has anti-aging properties, super moisturizing, and a 1/4 cup, or just a little bit less than 1/4 cup of jojoba oil. And jojoba oil is excellent for your skin. It seeps right into your skin. It's very high in vitamin E and just great for your hair as well. So all of these are high in vitamin E, but mango butter is extra high in vitamin C. So I have my butters here in the bowl, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to heat them up for about 20 seconds in the microwave. I don't want to liquefy them. I'm going to just whip them semi-solid. So I'll be right back. So here are my butters after about 30 seconds in the microwave, and as you can see, they're not fully melted. They're just nice and soft and ready to be whipped. But you know, everyone's microwave is different, so just play with it and see how long you need to get it soft like this. So now I'm going to add my oils. This is my Shea Nut Oil, and this is a 1/4 cup. Now my Sweet Almond Oil. Oops. And jojoba oil. Oops. Now I'm going to use a little less than a 1/4 cup. Okay, so now I'm going to whip this up. And if you don't have a hand blender like this, then you can just melt your butters and then add your oils and just whisk it vigorously until it's all incorporated. Just keep going until everything's mixed well. But try to use a hand blender. I'm just going to wipe the sides down. So that's whipped enough for me, but you can whip it according to your liking, but this is fine for me. I just want to make sure I got all of the lumps. Sorry, that's my cat. I do see some lumps, so I'm going to just whip it one more time. Okay, that should be good. So this looks like a lotiony consistency. You know, it could get hard, but just soften it in your hands. Usually it just stays nice and smooth. But depending on the climate in your home, or if you live in a very humid place, then it'll probably be more liquidy. Or if you live in a colder place or your AC is always on, it could harden. But just when you take it out, you can use a spoon. Don't get any bacteria in your jar. Use a spoon and then warm it between your hands, and just, you can, if you're going to use it in your hair, just place it on your ends, or starting from the middle of your hair down to the ends of your hair if you don't want to get your hair too greasy, if you have greasy or oily hair, or all over your hair if you really need a good conditioner or a styler. You can put this on once a week as a hair strengthener. It helps your hair to grow, and it prevents breakage and hair loss, and it's very, very good for your skin. It prevents wrinkles. It also helps to remove dark spots. So if you have like freckles or melasma from pregnancy or any kind of darkness from sun damage, the Shea Butter and the jojoba oil, all of it actually helps to minimize that, but you have to use it regularly. This is great for your skin, for your body, for your feet. If you want to show your feet in the summertime and you have dry feet from harsh winters, I don't know, but it's very good for your hands as well, your nails. It helps my nails to grow. I noticed that my nails grow a lot faster when I use any of these high vitamin or nutrient-rich butters and oils on my hands and my fingers. So just use it, but use it regularly and consistently. You can also make a little lip balm out of this. Just put it in a little container and bring it with you and put it on your lips. It's great for the winter time. to protect your lips from the harsh cold and wind. And also you can use it as an eye cream. But I know that cold winter air really can be damaging to the skin, so always have a little like container in your pocket so that you can apply it to even your face or around your eyes or your lips. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you give this recipe a try. It's really a luxurious cream and I love it. So thanks for watching.